Hello and welcome to Beanworks University. Today we'll be looking at releasing payments in Beanworks AP. Let's start in the Payments module, where we left off in the other payment lessons. Once a payment is fully approved, then it's available to be released in the Releases tab. Remember, if the payment is set for auto-release with an auto-release date, it will go out automatically on that date. You don't need to release these payments manually. Most of the time, though, you will select the approved payments you want to release and press the Release Payments button. You'll get a confirmation before releasing the payments. The payments selected will automatically change to the status Released, or RL, and will move to the Paid tab of the Payments module. What happens next depends entirely on the type of payment you're making. Let's go through each of the payment methods and when they change status finally to Paid, or PD. Virtual credit card payments will remain in the release status until the vendor swipes the card. Once the card is swiped by the vendor, then the payments will change to Paid status. ACH payments change from released to paid status almost immediately, as that process begins as soon as a payment is released. EFT payments change from released to paid status when we get confirmation from our payment provider the transaction has completed within about 3 to 5 days. Check payments change from released to paid status when the checks get printed, which happens by 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. You must have your payment released in Beanworks by 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to have your check printed that same day. Wire payments change from released to paid immediately. Okay, so that explains each of the payment methods and when the payments change from released to paid. Thank you for taking the time to watch this training lesson. If you have any questions, please contact Beanworks support at support@beanworks.com.